Google reviews are great and all, but what speaks volumes are those testimonials where you can see the real deal. We're talking about actual emails or social media posts, not just some random words and fake pictures. You want the real stories written by real people. See, here's the thing. Anyone can hire someone to leave Google reviews or slap up a fake testimonial on their website. It's like smoke and mirrors. But what you want are those genuine, no-nonsense testimonials where you can spot the folks behind them. Maybe you can see their social media account or even part of their email address. That's the kind of real stuff that tells you this credit repair service means business. Now, the more of these real testimonials a company has, the better. It's not just about having a flashy website and a handful of Google reviews or some made-up testimonials on their site. You want to dig deep and see real people, real stories. And here's the kicker. It's not just about the size of the credit score jump. Some folks might see a massive increase, while others might have a smaller bump. The key is progress. If someone takes the time to write and send in a review consistently, that's a good sign. It means they're seeing results, and that's what you want. So remember, don't get swayed by fancy marketing. Look for the results, the real stories, and the genuine testimonials. That's how you can tell if a credit repair company is the real deal when it comes to effectiveness. It's all about keeping it real and making sure they can deliver the goods. Learn more at CreditFixGuy.com.